In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom from name in Lemlist. So start by logging into your Lemlist dashboard. Then in a new tab, head over to Gmail and of course make sure that you're logged in with the same Gmail account connected with your Lemlist account. Then next is click on the gear icon at the top and click on See All Settings. Now, once inside the settings page, switch to Accounts and Import tab. Then look for Send Mail As and click on Edit Info beside it. And now choose or add the custom from name in here by typing the new name in this text box. Then click on Save Changes. Once done, head back to Lemlist, then click on your profile icon at the bottom left. Then go to settings and in sending settings, click on the same Gmail account connected. Then click on email address aliases and click on the refresh button to apply your changes. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!